Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. If you are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor, bringing you another property tour. So today we are here in the west side of the Las Vegas Valley in a master plan community called Summerlin. The name of this village is Redpoint. Now the name of this neighborhood is called Crystal Canyon by Woodside Homes. Now on this side right here, this is the two-car garage. Right now it is a sales floor. Okay. Now you have three different elevations to pick and choose from for this model, and this is the Vista model. Now you have a total of three models or three floor plans to choose from. So this one right here that we're going to be touring today is the Vista. The one over here is actually the Mesa. Okay. Now they do have the Calico, but that one is not modeled. Now there are four different elevations to pick and choose from. Now this is a single story that is 1,800 square feet. You have an option for 2 to 3 bedrooms or a flex space, 2.5 bath, covered patio, 2-car garage. The base price, which is the starting price, is $501,990. Now keep in mind, price can change, and that does not include lot premiums and additional upgrades to the home. So as you can see, the side entry to this home, the front door is here. I love the fact that there's a door here too as well, so that's kind of cool. So let's go inside, let's take a look, and let's see what we got. Now this is a rekey lock, and basically what a rekey lock is here is you're going to stick a pin in here, put your original key, your primary key in here, take it out, put another key, take out that pin. Now that this lock is assigned to that key. Typically the reason why you do that is so that way you don't have to rekey your key. Okay. Now as we come into the single story here, you are presented with an open floor plan as you enter. Love the color scheme here. I'm just going to walk back this way real quick and do one quick lap. There we go. But we're going to start off in the back side here, or actually the front of the home. So the standard, you got 10-foot ceilings, straight edge cornering, orange peel texture, 3 inches on the baseboard with this build. Now this is what we call like a private office or a flex space. There's a couple configurations that you can do with this, but let me explain in just a second. Now, there's something that I see that really had piqued my interest as far as for a design feature. I love how they have this casing right here. Then they're floating this about 2 inches, and take a look at that design. I don't know if they did that on purpose, but man, that definitely does look cool. Now coming back here, we do have a bedroom. Now remember, you have an option to do a 2 or 3 bedroom. Now on a resale, 3 bedrooms tend to go a lot further or farther than a 2 bedroom. So it's always best to get that 2 bedrooms. But let me just show you this quick design in your layout here. Okay. So I'm going to take you guys back here. Now, you have an option to take this wall all the way down this way, right? So now it's a long hallway. Imagine that. The door opens right here to walk into your bedroom. You have your closet, okay? Now, as you're walking down the hall, this door frame is gone. There's another door here that takes you into the bathroom here. Okay, so you have this long hallway, the door here, then you have another door here. For this bedroom, this wall gets blocked off. Does that make sense? So that's another option. The build comes with a standard 10-foot ceilings. You got a 6-panel door here. You got the almond color around the window frames. You do have 3 inches on the casings around the doors. That's an upgrade on here. So is the flooring. You got 18 by 18 porcelain tile. You got the Petrofina undermounted sink. This builder is pretty much contracted with Delta. Delta is a lifetime fixture, warranty, fiberglass tub, and they did the petrophenia around the tub. Coming back around this way. So it looks like we have a second thermostat here, so that tells me it's probably a dual zone. When you go to the design studio, I wanted to mention this. I haven't mentioned this in some time. All homes, right, you have the option for ADA regulation. So if you need wider hallways, right, and railings inside the bathrooms, you do have that options. But a lot of these home builders will make the hallways wide and also the doors too as well. Now, one of the configurations that you can do, which is I find very cool, is you can leave that back the way it is. This right here, you wall this off with a door. You have the option to run plumbing right here, right? You can do a sink, a refrigerator, and this could be like your private suite with your own bathroom. So this could be like a casita almost. So the 6-panel door is not insulated. It's definitely a upgrade here. Okay. Love this kitchen. You get the standard maple cabinets, 42 uppers with a 3-inch crown. Now, one thing that you always got to take a look at, especially with the black cabinets here, because a lot of times with these black cabinets, you see this? These are like almost thermofoil cabinets, and basically what happens is you start to get the edges to kind of like peel off. So you're gonna have to do touch-ups. Now, with the standard island, typically what they would do is do the cabinets in the front for the sink. All around here would just be drywall. They sleeve this on the sides and put the cabinets. So the way it looks is not standard. I do love this Blanca undermounted sink here. These are about $850 to $1,000 depending on the builder. Let's see what we have here. Looks like we're dealing with focused plumbing. You got your refrigerator here. With the build, does come with GE appliances. Refrigerator, washer and dryer is not included. Let's take a look at what we have here. Here's your guest bathroom. Now you have an option for the pantry door here. Okay. Now let's take a look at these cabinets. Now these cabinets are pretty nice. Look at this. They spec this out really well. They gave you the pretty much full overlay cabinets. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but when they did the drawers itself, they just did the MDFs, right, with the side glides or under. I don't remember if it's side glides or not. Let me see here. Oh, they got the glides underneath. I would actually rather have the glides underneath versus the side glides. But the price of this home, it's worth it to do this versus the hardwood dovetails. They did the herringbone on here, and also with the lights underneath, the LED lights with a beautiful light rail. Also did the double stack here all the way to the top. I would have threw some LED lights in between those glass. The standard here is a 30 inch. This one looks like a 36 inch on the cook countertops. Okay, this is not quartz. This is a hard compositive. I'm not too sure the name of this. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you know how much does it cost. Now, HOAs in this community are going to be $67 a month. With the master plan 48 gives you a total of $115. There are SIDs and lids. Remaining balance is about $14,000. You'd be paying about $1,000 a year until it's paid off. Oh, right there, that 6-panel doors leads you into the 2-car garage, so we're not going to go in there. This slide right here, typically you get a 12-foot slide where it opens up in the center, but this is just a double stacked door. Those are vinyl. Second thermostat here. Laundry room off to the right. Looks like they had to double stack the laundry room. All the cabinets again will be an upgrade. Your attic access right here, which is really cool. And your 30-inch panel for your smart panel box. Let's come into the master. Beautiful master bedroom. Love that feature wall there. Now on this spec you do have an option to put a door right here to access the outside. So we have another thermostat here, which is really nice. Coming into the bathroom, you do have 3 different configurations in the bathroom. This right here would be a structural upgrade. You have marble tile all the way to the top and the mosaic tile as well. Now one of the configurations you can do is you can do the oval tub, the square tub, and the shower if you choose to. Cabinets all the same, matching. Under-mounted sink. Get your water closet here. Off to the right, we have your linen closet. Standard with the home build, you get the 2-tone paint. Alright, let's go back out this way. Let's see what we got. Take a look at the backyard. There are incentives right now if you use their lender. On this one, you get 2% of the base price. So if it's $500, 2% of that is only $10,000. But that's only towards non-recurring closing costs. So that is very important. Okay, listen here. Non-recurring closing costs. If they put that verbiage into the contract, that means you're not getting your $10,000. See, if you don't know the lingo and the terms, you ain't getting that money, son. That's right. You ain't getting that full $10,000 towards closing costs. You have recurring closing costs and non-recurring. So when it says non-recurring closing costs, you also got to take a look at the contract, what you're paying for, right? Typically with these new home builds, what they want you to pay for is HOA transfer fees, capital contributions, especially in Summerlin, it's pretty damn pricey, right? Property transfer tax. So basically you're absorbing all the seller fees. 14 SEER AC unit right here from Lennox. So basically these are non-recurring closing costs. Typically how I like to negotiate the deal is if seller's gonna give me $10,000, I always put the verbiage that I want it to be towards recurring and non-recurring closing costs. So that way, if the total closing costs, right, from the build is only $6,000, you just lost $4,000. It's the reason why you need to work with an agent that understands the terms and the lingos, right? So that way you can absorb the full $10,000. So, buyer, be aware. Hopefully you learned something in this video, and for all the followers that have been with me for some time, you guys already know, and also I want to let the people that just subscribe. If you're just tuning into this channel for the first time, this is more of an educational channel to help you purchase a home out here in Las Vegas. What you notice, I'll give you little tips and tricks in every and each video that we put out, okay? So please make sure to tell all your friends and family about this channel. That definitely helps us out. If you have not had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.